안녕하세요, 여러분, and welcome to the lesson 59 of Hello Korean. In this lesson, we are going to learn a grammar that is un. Coming to the learning objectives, as you can see on your screens, to make the sentences with the adjectives while modifying the succeeding noun to express the state or effect of that noun with the grammar un. Now, coming to the introduction part, see here first sentence, 가방이 작아요. The bag is small. 이 가방을 살 거예요. I will buy this bag. So how to make the sentence in Korean? I will buy this small bag. See here, focus point is what? Small bag. Very simple. Just add the grammar un and the sentence will be 저는 작은 가방을 살 거예요. I will buy this small bag. Now coming to the explanation of this grammar, see first point, un is attached to an adjective which modifies the noun following it and indicating the current state or fact of that noun. See 1.1, in other words, it can be called as adjectival modifier. Yorobun, please see here carefully. Un is a modifier having different meanings depending on whether it is attached to action verbs or descriptive verbs, that is adjectives. In this lesson, our learning focus is on adjectives only. Clear? We are going to learn this un modifier only with adjectives. Similar English meaning, that or who. Now coming to the conjugation rules. Yes, it can be attached with nouns, verbs, and adjectives. In this lesson, focus is on adjectives only. Now coming to the conjugation rules details, see here. First category is there is a pachim. What we have to add? We have to add un. See here, chakta plus un will be chagan. Why we have added un here? Because chakta is having the pachim. Coming to the second category, there is no pachim in the adjectives. Then add n only. See the second example. Yeppuda will be changed to yeppun. Coming to the third category, adjective with la pachim. Again, we have to add n. How? With the la dropping. We have to remove la pachim and in place of la pachim, we have to write na. So, khilda will be changed to kin. Now, let's understand this la pachim dropping in more details. What is la pachim drop? See here, any adjective or a verb having la pachim followed by the consonants na, ba or sa, la pachim is dropped. See one example, khilda, and we have to add the grammar un. As there is a la pachim, we have to add na only. So what will happen here? Pachim is la. First step, remove this la. Now add na. So it will be kin like this. So khilda will be kin. See number 2, molda. Again the la pachim, add na grammar. First step, remove la, add na, and it will be mon. So in place of la pachim, we have to write na, and it will be mon. Clear, Yorobun? This rule is very important. Please do the practice. Now next is conjugation rules. Again, see here, if the adjective stems ends in a bachim, add un. Number 1, chakta chagan. Number 2, natta najan. Number 3, mantha manan. Number 4, chotta chon. And number 5, aram dapta will be aram daun. Coming to the second category, when the adjective stems ends in a vowel or la pachim, we have to add na. See number 6, khda will be khun, yeppuda yeppun. Number 8, pissada pissan. Number 9, khilda will be kin. And number 10, kekkathada will be kekkathan. So we hope now conjugation rules are clear. Now it's time to do some practice with the vocabulary card. So tell me, what will be chokta? Yes, there is a pachim. So chokta will be chogan. Number 2, chalta. Chalta will be chalban. Number 3, now you have to tell. Yes, nolban. And number 4, molda. Yes, be alert here. La pachim. What will happen? Yes, la dropping and molda will be mon. Number 5, chinjol hada. Yes, chinjol han. Clear, Yorobun, how to do the conjugation? Coming to the next part. Let's understand how this grammar looks in a sentence. The sentence structure will be adjective plus un must be followed by a noun. How? See here, chakta plus un will be chagan, and after chagan there must be a noun. See here, noun is khabang, that is bag. So please memorize this sentence structure also. Adjective un must be followed by a noun. If this combination is not in the sentence, sentence is grammatically wrong. Clear, Yorobun? Next point is about the examples. See number 1. A. Mo sal koeo. B replied, chagan khabangal sal koeo. So where is this grammar? Yes, in the chakta. Chagan khabang meaning is small bag. Coming to the next example, see number 2. A. Mol pogo issoyo. B replied, yeppun dreseral pogo issoyo. So where is this grammar? Yes, in the yeppun. Clear, Yorobun? Ne. Coming to next example, number 3. A. Onal mo mokko shippoyo. B replied, meun umshigal mokko shippoyo. So where is un grammar here? Yes, in the mepta, to be spicy. Spicy food. I want to eat spicy food. Next example number 4. Chumare mo ibal koeo. B replied, kinchi maral ibal koeo. So where is this grammar? Yes, in the kin. The root form is kilda, to be long. I will wear a long skirt. Now we hope these examples are clear. It's time to do some practice. See number 1, we have to complete these sentences by the word which is given in the bracket. So in first example, we can see the example is khada, to be big. Now please complete these sentences. Number 1 will be, yes, khun cheksangi issoyo. So in the same way, please complete 2, 3 and 4. Take your time, pause the screen. And after doing, please match your answers here. All are right? Ne, kamsamida yorobun. Now let's move to the supplement part. See number 1 with the adjectives which have itta or opta. For example, chemi itta, chemi opta, mashitta, moshitta. We have to add nun always. See first example 1.1. Oje chemi issan yongwaral phassoyo. This sentence is wrong. Why? We have added un here. With the itta and opta, we always have to add nun only. Oje chemi innan yongwaral phassoyo. See 1.3. I chegi chemi omnan chegiyeyo. So please be careful. any adjective which is having itta or opta, what we have to add? We have to add nun only. Next, if more than two adjectives are in continuation, then the modifier un is attached only once with the last adjective only. What is the meaning of this statement? See here. 2.1. 가벼워요. 그리고 예뻐요. 이런 노트북을 좋아해요. So here 가벼워요, 예뻐요, both these are adjectives. So 2.2. 가벼운 예쁜 노트북을 좋아해요. This sentence is wrong. Why? We have added un grammar in the 가볍다 and 예쁘다 2 times continuously. 가벼운 and 예쁜 here. So how to correct this sentence? Very simple. See 2.3. 가볍고 예쁜 노트북을 좋아해요. So this restriction is also very important. Please understand it clearly and memorize it. There are few more examples. Please keep focus on the un grammar. I will read once. You have to do the repetition. Shall we start now? 시작 할까요, 여러분? 따라하세요. Please repeat with me. Number 1. 큰 집이 있어요. Number 2. 넓은 방이 좋아요. Number 3. 예쁜 꽃을 주세요. Number 4. 긴 치마를 입을 거예요. Number 5. 귀여운 고양이를 봤어요. Number 6. 작은 자동차를 사고 싶어요. Number 7. 그 사람은 재미없는 사람이에요. Number 8. 맛있는 한국 음식을 먹고 싶어요. Number 9. 우리 집은 회사에서 먼 곳에 있습니다. Number 10. 저는 머리가 짧은 사람을 좋아합니다. So if you compare the Korean and the English sentences, you can say number 1, 큰 집 is big house. Number 2, 넓은 방 is spacious room. So this is the way how we can use this grammar practically in the sentences. It's time to do the wrap up now. Grammar un is attached to an adjective which modifies the noun following it and indicating the current state or fact of that noun. 1.1. In other words, it is also called as adjectival modifier for nouns. If you memorize this one sentence, 저는 작은 가방을 살 거예요, this grammar will be over. 1.2. Similar English meaning, that or who. 1.3. Conjugation rules. If the stem ends in a consonant, add un, or if in a vowel or la consonants, add na. 1.4. With the adjectives having itta or opta, we have to add nun only. Like 재미있다 will be 재미있는, 재미없다 will be 재미없는. Now it's time to close it, and in the next lesson we are going to start the grammar that is 보고 싶다, expressing wish. And if you are learning Korean language, we must learn what? Korean culture also. So to learn Korean culture, please go to the website, homepage, SNS, Instagram, Facebook of Korean Culture Center India. You will find lots of information about Korean culture, Korean language, events, K-pop events, and you will be updated always. So 감사합니다 여러분. 안녕히 계십시오. 다음에 뵐게요.